それではね、今日は音声リアルタイム翻
Alright
訳
then,
のデ
today
モを、行っていきたいと思います。で、このデモを含めてね、どうやって翻訳
I'd
が
like
作
to
ら
do
れ
an
たのか
audio
と
real-time
か、
demo,
あと
and with this demo
6
included,
つ機能があ
I'd
るん
like
で
to
すけど、
show how
どうや
the
ってその
translation
音
was made,
声を、
and there are
他のと
six
ころに持ってい
features,
くとか、例えばね、
and how to take that audio
ど
elsewhere.
う
For
やって
example,
翻訳された音声を他の側に持っていくのかっていうのを見せていきたい
and
と
during
思い
online
ます
meetings too, how to send the translated audio to the other side. I'd like to show you that.
So, if you want to get the voice translation you just saw, you go to spoken language and select fast audio. And then you go to this translation and then set languages to the voice that you want to hear. English voice will be in English, Japanese voice will be in Japanese. And then finally, you click this button and every transition will start working. Now, during the transition, we collect real-time memory. So whatever you are talking or other people are talking during the meeting, we tell AI what you're talking about, and then we accumulate what you talked about before and in your work context from Gmail, Outlook, Notion, Google Drive, so that AI knows who you are and what you want to know for the translation, and the translation will be always contextually accurate. Now you can opt this out. Right now this is only for limited access, so only limited user can get this feature. The advantage of this contextual accuracy, not grammatically accurate translation, is AI mishears sometimes. So for example, if you're talking about server and AI mishear burger, then translation will become about food, like food. You know, what kind of burger you're eating, cheeseburger, chicken burger. But if AI knows that you're engineer, you're working IT, then the transition will remain remain about IT server. Okay. Now, you can share this voice-to-voice translation to your audience, participants, colleagues, whoever, and they will get the different combination of translation. So for example, if you want Japanese to English, once you share the translation via URL or QR code, they can use this on their laptop or mobile phone, and then they can get English to Japanese or English to Chinese, Japanese to Italian, however they prefer. Okay, so we have 6 modes, 6 features for how to deliver this voice-to-voice transition. One that I just showed you was from microphone. So whatever I say, the computer will fetch my voice and it will be translated. This is best for in-person meeting, and the best experience comes from having headphone or earpiece. Now, system audio is for corporate training video, YouTube, Netflix, whatever. The audio comes from the computer. So computer will listen to the audio, and then JotMe will be translating the audio into the language audio that you want to hear. So if you're listening to English corporate training video but you want to hear in Spanish, you can do that in real time. You can also do this for real-time streaming as well. You can go to any streaming sites, and then let's say streamer that you love speak in French or Japanese, you can translate that in real time without them doing anything by yourself. Now, online meeting has a little bit tricky audio porting, and let me explain that to you. So let's say if you speak in Japanese, and if you want to port the English translated audio to the other side, you cannot do that naturally. You have to port the audio. And vice versa, they're speaking English and you want to hear in Japanese. It is hard to just translate on your computer. So you need to have a virtual portal. It is explained here very simply, and then we made the setup very, very simple. So you can go through and then set this up. Like setting this up will only take like maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once you set this up, the feeling is magical. Whatever you speak will be translated on the other side, and whatever they speak will be translated on your side. So you are native. You're a native language speaker, and they will never notice that you don't speak their language. Personally, I've been having a lot of calls, like enterprise sales call from Spain and in France, and I have been using this to speak Spanish and French to close a deal. Okay, so that is voice-to-voice translation. It is amazing. I think for the first time ever, we were able to communicate in any language. And people used to say that with a real-time machine translation, but it was horrible. You know, it was slow. The voice was never cloned. It's not contextual. Like, contextual part was the worst part. Like, it didn't really understand what you're talking about, what you talked about before. Now it can. So give it a try and let me know, or let my team know how you, what was your experience with this. And yeah, we will keep improving this. This is just V1. Imagine V2, V3, V4, V5, how the world will work, how the people will work together. I think we will see a true form of globalization once and all. So I'm very excited, and yeah, see you soon.